Hello, good morning, my dear friends. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel, Learn English Words Daily. Dear friends, before we go through the entire content of this video, I request you people to read the disclaimer completely till the end and then proceed further. My dear friends, I welcome you to lesson 202 of this video. In this lesson, let us try to explore very interesting, confusing English words. Dear friends, please look at these two words. From a distance, if you look at these two words, you may get a feeling that both the words are same. But the first word is diet, which is pronounced as diet. The second word is pronounced as deity, deity. So both the words are different. Of course, both of them carry totally a separate meaning. So, such words are likely to create a lot of confusion when once you have to use both the words at a time, either while framing sentences or while making communication with other people. So, in order to get our doubts clarified completely with these two words, let us proceed further and try to learn both the words in detail. Dear friends, when once you go through this video completely and if you feel the content provided in this video as very much useful to you, please give a like to this video. Also, share your comments and suggestions in the description box. Your comments and suggestions are highly valuable for me as they will help me to improve the content. Please share this video with your friends and relatives who are very much interested to learn highly confusing English words on daily basis. Now, without delaying much of our time, let's proceed further and try to learn the words diet and deity in detail. My dear friends, here is the first word of today's lesson. The word is diet, which is pronounced as diet. Dear friends, I am very much sure majority of the people who are watching this video are aware of this word. However, let us proceed further and try to learn this word in detail. Meaning of the word diet: the usual food and drink consumed by a person or animal, that is called diet. The other meaning is to eat or feed according to the requirements of a particular or prescribed selection of food. Now, let us try to frame two sentences by using the word diet. First sentence: it's never too late to improve your diet. Second sentence: exclude sugar and fat from your diet. Now, let us try to learn few words which give similar meanings as that of the word diet gives. And we call such groups of words as synonyms. Synonyms for the word diet are food, nutriment, meal, eatables. And there are some words which give opposite meanings. And we call such groups of words as antonyms. Antonyms for the word diet are fatty, heavy, fattening. Dear friends, today we have learned the word diet in a very comprehensive manner. I am very much sure by this methodology of learning, definitely you will be in a confident position to use the word diet appropriately whenever it is required in future. My dear friends, here is the second word of today's lesson. The word is deity, which is pronounced as deity. Meaning of the word deity is essential nature of a god or goddess. The other meaning is a supernatural being like a god or goddess. Now, let us try to see as to how the word deity is used in sentence formation. First sentence: every parent plead to deity for the safety of their children. Second sentence: the chosen deity in the tantras may be a form of the goddess mother. Now let us see the words which give similar meanings to the word deity. And they are God, angel, almighty, divinity, creator, so on and so forth. The words which give opposite meanings to the word deity are demon, devil. Dear friends, today you have learnt the word deity in a very detailed manner, and I am very much sure now you are in a confident position to use the word deity either while framing sentences or while making email communication with other people. Dear friends, today you have learnt the two highly confusing English words diet and deity in a very comprehensive manner. I am very much sure henceforth you will be in a better position to use the words appropriately whenever the situation arises in future. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. See you very soon with another list of highly confusing English words on this channel. Learn English words daily. Till then, take care.